Hi everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. If you're new here, my name is Destiny, and today I'm going to teach you how I do my foundation. Now, I did a fast forward clip on how to do it before on the blue geometric look, but I was trying something new that day. Those white patches that were on my face was like this white putty. I don't typically use that. So today I'm going to teach you how I usually do my foundation for a very flawless look like I've been doing lately. So without further ado, let's get into it. Before I begin, all the products that I use are listed down below in the description box. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below while you're looking at the products that I use. And let me know if there's any looks or things that you want me to talk about in our next video. You can either let me know on my Twitter or on my Instagram account. So I already put on my primer, so I'm gonna put on my foundation. I just recently got this foundation, the NYX Full Coverage Foundation. I was using the Fenty one. The Fenty one's good, but it's the one that I had is really old, and you know, she just wasn't working as well. And for me, it was just really heavy. This is really light. I actually really like this. So I'm going to go in with my foundation. Always put it on the back of your hand first and then apply it to your face. And we're just going to put it on and buff it out. This is where I look so ridiculous right now whenever I do my makeup, because it's a process. It's like painting. You really have to trust the process, because at the beginning you might look like, for example, right now I look like a ghost. I just think they're more fun. Makeup is a form of expression, just like how you wear your clothes, how you do your hair. That's why I do editorial looks like that. I think they're called editorial. I'm gonna do my eyebrows right now, because after I do my eyebrows, I do my concealer, and I just like to conceal all at once. Now, you want to learn how to do your eyebrows. I'm not going to do a step-by-step tutorial because I actually just posted that. I'm going to put the cue card right here. I just posted that. So I'm not going to give a step-by-step guide. I'm just going to zoom through this because for me personally, eyebrows take a while. I know that they're not twins, they're sisters, but you know, they have to look related. The air is getting crisp, and my spooky soul is being awakened. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for Halloween. I'm not gonna dress up or anything. Maybe, I don't know. Don't look at me like that. Don't judge. I don't know why I like Halloween so much. The pumpkins and anyways, spooky season's on the way, and I'm actually really excited about it. I don't know why, because I'm not gonna do anything. Fall is just amazing. Fall is, I already stocked up on my chai tea. I've already been drinking it. I don't know. I just think the flavors are immaculate. The colors, I love the color orange. It's one of my favorite colors. I have a lot of favorite colors, but orange is definitely one of them. Now I'm going to put my concealer under my eyes. Don't worry, we're going to bring this bad boy out again because I have to use it.
So I behave, passing up the same, waking up the same. All up in my head, that's just how I behave. How I behave. How I behave. How I behave.
What if I told you I'm doing my makeup to absolutely go like nowhere special? You know, these are one of the little joys that I have right now, and oh, okay. So what I'm gonna do is that from the top of my ear here, going down to my lip area, that's usually how I do my contour. So that's here. That's just the line, and then I bring it up a little bit here, mostly focusing on this area, and then we're gonna blend it out with a beauty blender. Okay, so I'm also gonna go in this little area, and then whatever remaining, I put it on the bottom edge. Now I'm just gonna do, from here, I'm just gonna go up and go very close to my hairline and just make these little dots towards my brow bone on both sides. So we're just gonna do that real quick. And we're also just gonna bring it down because we're also gonna do something there. So we're just. And then we're gonna make a little line here and make a circle. And then bring it a little bit closer to our brow bone area. Just blend that real quick just with the brush. And now we're gonna go back in with our concealer. And we're just gonna put it on this line right there. Now we're gonna blend this all out. For the face one, I like to use a bigger beauty blender. And we're gonna blend this up. Right now we're just gonna blend the cheekbones and we're gonna blend it up, not down. Bronzer. Always remember, whenever using powdered products, when you pick up the product before you put it on your face, always tap off that excess. And then basically exactly where we put the cream contour, we're gonna put the bronzer. And what this is gonna do is, yes, it's gonna bring more warmth to our face, one, but two, it's also going to set in that cream contour. Nice, but I like to go in to like about here before where we put the line, and I just think it like enhances that nose contour just a little bit more. We're also going to be putting it right underneath where we put that cream contour and that bronzer. A little line where we have that contour on our nose. Here. This is gonna set, and then I'm gonna do a quick little eye look, and then we're gonna finish it up. So I'll be right back. So this is the finished look on how to do your foundation. I did the eyes and the lips off camera. If you want me to teach you guys how to do this look, it's actually really simple. Let me know down below in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Remember that I'm here for you every Tuesday at 10 a.m. Central Time. See you guys next week. Bye.